We are pleased to show you the 2016 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, airbags, front knee, cruise control, front and rear power outlets, child safety locks, power windows, one-touch windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.